afternoon and welcome to another Bangertorial, and we're going on about shelves. These are very important items. I had a bit of time on my hands, some cars weren't around or we pushed out of the way. Maybe I was a bit bored and I just thought, yeah, let's re-shelve the area. We had some conventional plastic shelves which were here that you can buy in the shops, and they're a bit too wide really and things get lost behind them. And also I'm getting very old, so when I get out of a car I like a bit of wiggle room, so I can make a fast exit. And these are this is English oak, an X floor that I took up a few years ago and been using the parts ever since, and it's so far not fallen down, and that's the main thing of course, but it's put everything in a very nice clear to see order. I share this garage with somebody who's very obsessed with cleaning her car, so there's lots of cleaning products and mitts and all sorts of clever stuff like that to clean the car, but there's some sort of order to it all. We've got fluids at the bottom, coolant and oil. We move on to cleaning stuff and paint at the top and everything else in between. But the great thing about reorganising your shelves is you find things, and I found some handy oil, and this is a interesting little thing which is Tony the Tiger from Frosties. That's the Esso Tiger, and I just thought that was really pretty, and I'll keep that, and it's still got handy oil in it, which obviously will come in handy. And also the great thing about tidying up shelves is you find things that you forgot you ever had, and this is a spark plug cleaner. Not used much today because you throw the plugs away and start again, and I think some people say this can introduce foreign bodies into your engine, but if you clean the plugs properly in some petrol after you've cleaned them, then it's easy enough. So there's a bit of sand in there, you press a button and it cleans your plugs. But I quite like the period box. And it seems to suggest it was £5.70, and that would have been quite a lot of money back when this was brand new, but there you go, that was something useful to have in your garage. So yeah, if you've got the time and the inclination and a drill, then what you can do is build yourself some shelves, or just reimagine your shelves and make everything look nice and tidy, and you can find stuff and throw away stuff that is useless. So I appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe and all that sort of stuff, and I'll see you later with probably a more interesting and relevant Bangertorial, but this will do for the moment. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.